All right, like we've been talking about last week, some tweets I've done. Anticipate before you participate. Anticipating a Fed rate cut. When is it? 6 o'clock in the morning. Is it going to be coordinated? It comes out at 9 Central, right in here, after the market turned a little bullish anyways, and had all these swing highs to come after and go get. But most importantly, at 9 Central, the Fed comes in and cuts half a point, giving people time to just reach and buy it because there was going to be a lot of upside. Now, the tricky part was, are they going to maintain all the strength? You could see them get up to 36, 31, 36 over there. You could see them retest it there with plenty of chances. Just go through and run. Doesn't. Comes off. Same thing here. Doesn't. At some point, it becomes, we did price in a lot of the upside yesterday. And Powell gives a press conference, and I think this is the key, though. Powell gives around a 10 o'clock a.m. Central press conference, and he sounds like he's just a clerk. He sounds like he's just the guy that puts out the croissants at the Fed meetings. He's just not into it, not into the questions, not dovish. And I had told our group that if the market doesn't get something dovish out of him, we're going to go down. And we went down. That didn't make it easy to sell it. There were some moments that were easier to sell it, but the downside's definitely been the right side during and after his lackluster press conference. You know, the market's looking for him for leadership and saying, you know, the underpinnings of this economy have been strong, and what we're doing is trying to create some safeguards and get ahead of it. We have more where that come from, and we're coordinating with other central banks, and we'll make sure that when this passes, and it will pass, that the economy will be right back to where it was, and we'll do everything in our power. That's what our mandate is. That's what we're here for. Say it like that. But he's a la-la guy. He's a typical government guy. And that's the problem. Now, the markets might not have went up if he said it like that. They certainly don't think would have had this beating. But just remember, you had a near record close yesterday, and that was anticipating this Fed rate cut. And now you get it, and we do rally, but it's one of those buy the rumor, sell the fact in a way. But the fact is still powerful for us to go up. I think if it was handled where he could come and say, there's more where that comes from, we'll reassess March 18th. And we've got, heck, I would have went up to the podium and said, we did 50 an hour ago. I got another 50 in my pocket right now. I could do another 50 if I reach in my back pocket. You want me to? No, I'm going to wait. And there's another 50 behind that I left in the car. So I got 50 in my pocket. I got 50 in my car. And I left 50 at home. So you got to be optimistic. You got to take charge, and that's his problem. And so the markets now, you could see beating on his press conference more than anything else. I really have a confused state right now, though, because right now, gun to my head, are we going to close up 40, 50 points from here or down 50 points from here? I might have to take the bullet because I don't know. I could not be surprised if we rally strong into the close or break strong into the close at this moment. That's just how I feel. So I need more. I'm not here to always have an opinion. But we anticipated in order to participate. And that's why many of us caught after the Fed announcement, because we were not surprised, even though it was a surprise rate cut.